Hey, what's up, Charter fam? This video right here, we're just going to go over a couple of quick things in the market because you know that market is going crazy, but we cannot start a video off without going over Bitcoin, all right? Bitcoin is just going stewy out there, and make sure you guys like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell that kind of lets you guys know when I drop. All right, but we're at about 67K right now. I mean, we are just pretty much up there. There's nothing else pretty much up there except for price discovery. And that's pretty much what we're all doing. We're all waiting to see the discovery of the new price. But Bitcoin is going crazy. Whether it's going to pull back or not, I completely doubt it. We got about 40 something days till the halving or something. Let me see. Hold on. I don't have that yet. It's 42 days until the halving. Okay, but Bitcoin is going crazy, and seems like everything is lining up, but things are a little different this time from what I'm hearing. Okay, this is my first bull market, so you know I am pretty much just in awe of everything that is going on, the prices and how high everything is. What's really amazing about this is that I was around for the whole bear market, and the prices were just so dirt cheap. I mean, I think Ethereum was like 1700 or some shit, 1600 or something like that. I mean, it just went down. Everything is just so low. Solana was like $5, $6, $7, something like that. XRP was a few pennies here or there. Cardano, same difference. Like Shiba Inu was really low. Everything was just bottom line, and I did not take advantage like I should have. You know, I kind of got in, and I got some bags of some different things I just did not know, you know, but now I do. And the bags that I have, my portfolios are up there. My portfolios are up there, and as well as you guys' are as well. And I was just taking a look at coin market cap here, and I was kind of going project by project, just taking a look at what is up and what isn't. Okay, I was looking at Caspa because, you know, we're always looking to get into that new play. You know, the one that's going up. Renders already pretty much went up. Bitcoins went up. ETH is on its way up. ETH might be a pretty good play for you right now. There's a couple of different plays that you still have in the market, but you're going to have to hurry up. I tell you that, because it is getting really slim diggity. Because once Bitcoin starts shooting, everything's going to go right along with it, and then it's pretty much going to be a little too late, all right? But this is Caspa, 15 cents. It's been on the move lately, okay? And Caspa is one of those ones where I got into Caspa, I think, at 5 cents. Okay, so I was pretty fortunate. I was watching all those Caspa videos, and then get into Caspa, it's going to be the next ETH and all that, and then I got into Caspa, and the price did go up. I'm not going to cap. I don't regret getting into Caspa, but after that, it started to pull back a little bit. Next thing you know, all the influencers that were talking about Caspa gone. Okay, they don't come up on my timeline anymore, so I guess they got their bags and left or whatever. But Caspa is on the move. It's looking really good. I don't like this chart, so let's take a really quick look if my computer will work with me. Let's see. I think that ticker symbol is going to be CAS, I think. Okay. We can go here. Let's use Mexi's chart. So we're at ATH over here on looking at the Caspa chart. There's nothing but price discovery from here. We see a little sell pressure coming in here, a little supplies coming in right here. Everybody was kind of packing their bags up. Looks like a little supply was coming in, but it looks like the bulls are eating that up really quick, and it might continue to go up. But once Bitcoin starts flying through the clouds, I can guarantee you the rest of these are gonna go right along with it. But I was taking a look at coin market cap a little bit earlier, and I found this token here called Baby Elon. So I'm not really too sure if you guys heard of this Baby Elon, but it's been surging lately. And I think when I looked, I think it was like January, the beginning of January or something like that, this token, it was released. Nobody told me nothing, but I found it now. and now we're just waiting on an entry to get in. It's 99 out of 99 on the DEX score today. Us 5 and 5 on the buy and sell tax, so it's 5%. Market cap's about 6 mil. Liquidity is about a half a mil, about 548K. You got circulating supply is about 41 trillion. Holders about almost 13K, and total market cap's about 6 million. You know, somewhere around just past that mark. 24-hour volumes about 326K. It's gonna be the chart. The chart looks stewy. Everybody's been going crazy. It was really low, and then it had a very beautiful run up. Wish I could have got in down here, but we didn't. It ran its way all the way up, and now you can see it's on a pullback. So we got our kind of areas kind of marked off here. I figure once it blows through here, if it decides to blow through here, or I've seen some buying, some demand or buying pressure coming in here, then the bears just ate it up. They're determined to take this down. If they get it back down to that 11 mark, 1183.06, somewhere around here, I'll definitely be getting in. But we have some resistance ahead of us. It's a little resistance here. If it blows through here, we got a little resistance here. If it kind of blows through here, we got a little bit there. So there's not really no telling where it's going to go. It's a meme coin, so I'm imagining it's going to drop before it goes back up. Whether it's going to continue going back up is, you know, we don't know. These meme coins, sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. Sometimes you get the luck of the draw, sometimes you don't. Okay, I'll just show you guys the website really fast. The next crypto leader is coming, baby Elon. I really like the artwork on this. It has some nice backers on this. Security, marketing, support, CEX, listing, reputation. You guys come check this website out. All you guys like, it's babyelon.net. Here's the tokenomics of it, about 420 trillion. Pre-sales about 60.71. LP is about 29.42. We have CEX listing is going to be in 9.87. Tax buy and sell is going to be 5%. Okay, it's going to be the roadmap. Establishing the website, social community channels, initiating marketing campaigns. You know, this is marketing campaign number 3. This is initial marketing campaign number 4. So they do have professional marketing going on within this project. Some of the partners are going to be PinkSale, DexView, PooCoin, CoinGecko, BitGet. They have a lot of different backers on this one right here. So this is looking really good. Okay, let's click that off. But we were also, another thing we were looking at, another chart, we were looking at the Luna Classic chart, and I pulled this up. I know a lot of people are like, why the hell you pull Luna Classic up? I pulled this up because someone was saying earlier that Luna Classic is dead. That's cap. If Luna Classic was dead, you would not see these run-ups right here. It's starting to run up, and it's starting to go proper. It's starting to run up again. It kind of pulled back a little bit. This is probably people accumulating from way back here, probably getting out. You know, I'm another one. I accumulated way back here, and you know, as soon as that goes up, I will be hopping out of Luna Classic. I'm not even gonna cap. But whether it's going to go to the heights, whether it get back to its ATH at 30, 65, 487, don't really know. This token has had so many dramatics. This token has had so much dramatics behind it since when all that stuff went on. What was it, like early 2023 or late 2022 or something like that? So we'll see what's gonna happen. That's the only reason why I pulled that up, just so you guys can see that. But this baby Elon token, you guys maybe kind of take a look at it. Let's see if we can go ahead and pull up their X page really fast. Okay, if my computer works with me, baby Elon, we have about 230 posts, 25 following, about 12.7 followers. Okay, that's a pretty good thing. You guys want to kind of go up and down these timelines, kind of take a look at. They got like pictures of the charts, kind of letting you know that it's going back up. Good morning, crypto billionaires. Elon, baby Elon is flying. That's it. Okay, so that's kind of interesting. You just kind of have to wait it out. We know meme season is on its way. Seems like they had an AMA. What was that, like January 21st? Okay, I missed out on all of that. Oh, look, you have Elon Musk with baby Elon in the picture. It says baby Elon and daddy together all the time. That is crazy. All right, yeah, these memes, they are amazing sometimes. But you know, we are just basically trying to find different tokens that have not taken off yet. And that was the name of the game for me today. But kind of like going through these lists, and everything is pretty much taken off. Now, not everything is going to be at its ATH, okay, in price discovery, but there's a lot of things that are, a lot of tokens that are. But let's check out Thorchain. Look at Thorchain. Thorchain Ruin is just running it up. It's running up at $7.08 today. It's 31.83 cents up on the 1 day. Let's go ahead and go back out, because we can obviously see that that token is already through the roof. And the point of this is to find tokens that aren't through the roof yet. Let's check on Flare really fast. FLR is going to be the ticker symbol. It's at 0.0. It's at 4 cents pretty much. Okay, the market cap on this, it looks like it is about $1.5 billion. Okay, that's not that big, not that big. Volume 24 hours, about almost 17 million, almost 17 million. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Let's take a look at their website really quick. This is one thing I have not taken a look. I don't know anything about this project. I don't know anything about these projects that I've been looking at. If I get interested in them that I want to get into, I will go ahead and do my research on them. But for right now, this is not working with me at all. Let's see if we can click on it one more time. No, it's not giving me any respect on the chart there. I was trying to pull up that website. Let's see if we can find the old... We're not going to do it like that. Let's do it like this. Because obviously I cannot find what I am searching for. Okay, so we'll pull that up. Let's pull it up on old Coinbase. Look at Flare. Flare just going stewy. It's all the way through the roof. So we know that has blown past. That is in price discovery right here. So, and if you were able to get in down here at that the 982 mark, you're a happy guy, because this thing jumped all the way up to just about 5 cents, and now it pulled back to about 4 cents. You see a little bit of supply coming in the house. Whether supply is going to be able to prove itself, I don't think so. There's too much buy pressure in the house, but you just kind of have to wait and see. Same thing with our Elon token over here. Like I said, I was kind of looking for, because I was kind of interested in the token, and I see that it's been out since January. I haven't heard of it. It's on the BNB side of life. I kind of stopped trading on BNB. Get tired of. Sometimes you know, in the crypto game, eventually you're just gonna get tired of losing money. That's just period. You're just gonna get tired of losing money. And you know, I've just recently started trading Solana tokens, so I'll be doing more videos on Solana tokens. So, you know, it's all in the up and up. But baby Elon went all the way up to about 10 zeros, 21, 24 mark, and then it had a nice pullback. So it's kind of accumulating here. If you kind of take a look at it, ooh, I like how it did that. That's stupid big. We can really see that. But it looks like they're kind of accumulating right here. They're fighting it. The bulls are trying to fight, but there's not enough buying pressure. There's not enough demand in the house. Not enough buying pressure. It's not going to happen. The bears are going to drop it down. We're waiting, okay? We have this mark here. We have some resistance here. Beep, 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 beep. If it pulls through here and gets through that point of that resistance, then we'll be good. It might come down to about here. It even has a little bit of resistance here. All these little points of resistance and all that, and supports and resistance, all that counts, because you don't know where it's going to stop at. It could sit here. It could collect here and bounce. Okay? It could collect at this point and bounce. It could collect down here at this point and bounce. Okay, and if it blows through here at the 10 zeros 1239 mark, I expect it to hit down here about this 1065 mark. And if we're really grateful, you know, if it's a typical meme coin that I know it is, or I'm most likely that it is, it's going to go all the way back down to that 11.0 mark, and then you really want to accumulate. Only because you never really know, and I don't suggest putting a gigantic bag in this, but you know, put a little small bag, because you never know. Meme season is coming. The bull market is here. Demand is in the house. Supply is not. So you don't know what's going up, okay? My Shiba Inu the other day is acting real crazy. Any Inu, I mean, all of it. It's just going crazy right now. So you never know what's going to happen with this market. You guys let me know what you guys think down in the comments about all of this. Bitcoin at its highest, it's about to reach price discovery in a few minutes. We got Luna Classic is going a little bit stewy. It kind of pulled back just a little bit and it kind of rose up just a little bit. Got my kids in the background if you kind of heard that. Okay, like I said, we're waiting on baby Elon to drop down and touch so we can probably enter there, and flare is just going through the roof. It just didn't look like it on their chart. That's why I like pulling it up on TradingView, because TradingView gives you the propers. You know what I mean? It's the propers. But you guys let me know. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. I'm out.